In this video, I'm going to show you how I installed my Blackvue dash cam. If you want to see what the footage is like of my Blackvue, check out this video that I've got in the link above. Let's get into it. Also, I'm going to show you the failures that I made, so that way you don't make the same failure if you're installing your own dash cam. So as you can see, I've got it mounted just at the top here. It's got all funky settings, but I'm sure you can figure out your own. So let's get inside the car and see how it looks. As you can see, I've got it mounted to the passenger side. When I originally mounted it, I mounted it right at the top, up here. The issue that I had was it was not within the sweep of the windscreen wiper. So I had to move it down. I've ran the cable up the top. I pulled all this off. I ran it along the top, underneath the headlighting, and down the pillar. I'll now show you how I ran it down the pillar. So what I did was I got this pinch weld rubber and I removed it. Well, you can do it with most cars, just peel it back. And what you can see is the cable there, and it runs down. I've got it running down the side, and then I've got it running in behind here, straight into the glove box, straight into where the fuse box is. This is where the dodgy part starts. Yes, it's dodgy, but it works and it's safe. So this will either work for you or it won't. So while this might seem dodgy, it works and it is safe. So all lines running to the camera are fused. That's what these black tunnels are. They're a inline fuse. So because I didn't have any micro fuse holders, what I did was I found the fuses that I needed. And fuses have a line and load side. So if you can see where that yellow wire is running, it's running to the load side of the fuse and not the line side. So you could effectively say that all lines running back to the camera are double fused. If I was to go to the line side of the fuse, there'd be no fuse protection at the fuse box. That would be okay because the wires are fused on the camera side. So if you don't have a fuse tap, what you can do is strip back your wire, cut it into the load side of your fuses. So the way you check that is you pull the fuse, you put your probe of your multimeter into one side of where the fuse goes, and find out which side has voltage by going to negative on the body of the car. And the side that has voltage is the line side. The side that has no voltage is your load side. But remember, you have to do this with your fuse out. If you've got any other questions, feel free to leave me a message. Keep watching for the next video.